Good afternoon to one and all present over here. Uh, Today is this mentoring session of Dr. Siddharth Singh Bish, Director LJ IMS. So he will be interacting with you regarding strategy development, how you can conduct the research. So he'll be mentoring the students regarding certain aspects of strategy building for this hackathon of Mangalaya. So a very good afternoon to all of you. Siddharth sir, over to you. Sir, sir, are you there? I think sir is yet not able to connect. Sir, you can take over the session because I've explained that what the session is all about. So you can start with the PPT. I will grant you the screen sharing rights.
Okay. First of all, I hope I'm audible, Dr. Neha.
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. First of all, good afternoon, everyone, and warm greetings to Sumita ji. Okay, nice to see you attending this session. Uh, so, in the meantime, that I'm being granted the rights to start the presentation, I just want to state that why do I intend to take this session or why am I talking? Okay, the thing is that all those of you people who have participated in this hackathon, okay, you came across a very unique challenge. In fact, a lot of you thought that probably, this was a challenge that was like totally off the grid. I mean, we are looking at a product which is from another country. Okay, it has been translated into our own language, okay, which is Hindi. And again, we are looking at launching this product in Gujarat, where predominantly the language that is spoken is Gujarati. Okay, we are sitting at a time which is ridden by COVID, so we cannot probably meet people. Okay, and this app is so unique, so different because it is Japanese culture being translated into Hindi, and we just don't know what to do about it. I mean, how do we proceed? So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of hackathon. That is what a hackathon is supposed to be doing. If we had all those answers to all these questions, we would never be doing the hackathon in the first place. तो हैकेथन पुट्स अक्रॉस एक ऐसा प्रॉब्लम सामने रखता है जो अनप्रेसिडेंटेड होता है, जिसका ना पास्ट है, ठीक है, और ना उसे मिलता जुलता कोई एग्जाम्पल है, विच इज वेरी वेरी यूनिक. There might be certain broad similarities, but in itself it's a very unique thing. And for unique things, you need unique solutions. For out of the box problems, you need out of the box solutions. And here I am. Again, with due apologies to Sumita ji. Of course, I'm not here to probably, ring in a lot of spoilers and probably change the entire hackathon. But yes, what I might try to do is just help you think with the structure of it. So I decided that for the sake of all you lovely boys and girls who are in this hackathon, if suppose I was supposed to be dealing with this hackathon, and if I was supposed to be probably finding solutions, what would I have done? मैं क्या करता? हाँ, आप में से काफी लोग बोलेंगे बॉस ये क्या कर रहे हो? ठीक है, तो मैं सिर्फ अपने थॉट्स रख रहा हूँ, मानना ना मानना आपके ऊपर है। हाँ, मेंटर्स भी बोल सकते हैं अरे यार ये क्यों सॉल्यूशन बता रहे हो, तो मैं सॉल्यूशन नहीं बता रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ थॉट्स बता रहा हूँ। ओके, दैट इज व्हाट आई इंटेंड टू डू। So what I'm trying to put across are totally my thoughts. You may or may not like it, okay, but had I been in your position, and if I was supposed to be working, what would I have done? That's I'm putting. Again, it is not your director or teacher, it is me as an individual. मैंने सॉल्यूशंस अपनी दिमाग से डाले हैं, आपका टीचर बन के या डायरेक्टर बन के नहीं किया है। ओके, बिकॉज वेन एवर देयर इज अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट टू बी लॉन्च्ड ना, तो मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारे आइडियाज आते हैं कि व्हाट कैन हैपन। ओके, so that is what I'm going to put across in front of you. So Dr. Neha, I hope you have granted me the right to share the screen, right?
Yes, sir, you'll be able to share the screen.
Okay, here we go. Without wasting much time, here we go. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, very quickly to Mangalia, what do we do to make it successful? Okay. Now, first of all, before I set the ball rolling, I want to share certain interesting facts with you. Okay, that this is not the first time that probably you and me and entire India or entire Ahmedabad or entire Gujarat or entire LJ is coming in touch with Japanese culture. Okay, there are many Japanese products that are already existing and doing probably very, very well in India. Okay, many of you people know that Top Ramen, again a Japanese company, okay, pioneers in instant noodles. It was a Japanese doctor who, in World War II, in order to ensure that Japanese soldiers do not die because of lack of food, he generated the concept of instant noodles. Post-war, it became very, very famous across the world by the brand name of Top Ramen. Okay, Top Ramen was such a fantastic product, and it sold in leaps and bounds that there were a lot of cheap rip-offs. Cheap rip-offs means there were a lot of top companies trying to copy or emulate. One of the companies doing it was Nestle, and they launched their own brand in India by the name of Maggi. So, boss, ये जो आप Maggi देख रहे हो, this Maggi that you're looking at, ladies and gentlemen, essentially is a Japanese product. Okay, and a European company stealing the concept and trying to sell it to you. Did you eat it? Ask yourselves. लोग जी मर रहे हैं मैगी खा खा के. What do you think it is? Not an Indian product. And how did it get launched? Today, Maggi tops all kind of brand utility, brand loyalty surveys. It is a power brand over there. In its category of instant noodles, it is number one. It is so successful that the original leader, Top Ramen, when it came to India, it could not beat Maggi, which was a cheap replica of Top Ramen. Top Ramen noodles were downright more superior. इन्होंने तो सिर्फ कॉपी किया था. So something, and you have to understand, probably you can put comics reading in the mind of individuals, but food is a very personal thing. You cannot change the habit of people. आप उनको किताब पढ़ने की आदत डाल सकते हो. You can make them probably read comics also, but you think you can change the eating habits of people? You might be out of your mind. But they managed to change the habits of people, and today there's an entire generation eating Maggi. You cannot stop it. It's not an Indian product. What does that teach you? That teaches you that 137 crore of Indians can buy things if they have been talked about it properly, if they've been educated about it properly, and if they have been told the benefit of that particular product. You can always argue, boss, it was a product, yaar, दिखता है तो बिकता है. So what about Mangal? ये तो app है. Look at where the world is going. The world is going online. Lot of lessons that you can get from real life. I'm going to put it across in front of you. So what I'm trying to put across, had I been sitting over here trying to solve this hackathon, what would I have done? You had certain tasks. Now very cleverly, look at how the hackathon has been designed. It has been designed to fool you. जिस चीज के सबसे कम मार्क्स है वो सबसे ऊपर है, बाकी हर एक टास्क के मार्क्स ज्यादा हैं. So that it has been expected that you can look beyond the first task, but then as expected, ठीक है, जो चीज पहले आपने उसी को धर लिया. Okay, so download was 10 points. Every single thing has got more marks, but here are all of you totally in love with downloading. गजब है यार. ये तो वही बात है, लाइफ में पहला लड़का पहली लड़की दिख गई, उसी के प्यार में पड़ के अरेंज मैरिज कर ली. वाओ. So interesting. If you look at all the other tasks, they are far more strategic, they are far more important, and far more long lasting. Okay. And if you achieve all these tasks, I guess someone has to take care of their mic. So, okay, Dr. Neha, we have an alien. Can we take care of the alien? Okay, yeah, done. Thanks. So if you look beyond the first task, okay, the tasks are so cleverly aligned with each other that if you try to achieve them, your downloads are guaranteed. If you try to achieve this task, they're actually guaranteed. So there, if you look at this entire task in a certain way, okay, deliberately or not deliberately, it's very cleverly put across in front of you. ठीक है, अगर आप इसे कोई थोड़ा भी आर्टिकुलेट होगा, थोड़ा भी स्मार्ट होगा, उनको फट से पता चल जाएगा कि बॉस क्या चल रहा है. You should have looked beyond the first thing. Anyway, task one. Had I been supposed to be solving this thing now, okay, what we all tend to do is I tell you entire network, oh, boss download karo and then uninstall it. Wow, is it really going to cut ice? See, had this hackathon been happening for school kids, now it was a different thing. But please understand, here hackathon is happening, okay, for graduates and postgraduates. So we have some very bright engineering students. Okay, we have some very sharp integrated MBA students, and again we have got first and second year MBA students. So all of you are supposed to be the best of the best of the best. Okay, so you probably are supposed to be using your mind in a different way. Spoiler. So you are supposed to do it in that, not in the start. Countless downloads actually mean nothing. Please understand. See, I hate to say that thing, but this is very famous saying that if you catch fish for a person, you are taking care of his dinner for one night. But if you teach a person how to catch fish, you take care of his dinner for a lifetime. So if you generate downloads, it is just a one-time thing. You are gone, download is gone. But if you tell the company, how will you generate downloads? So boss, that is the most important thing you can do. Okay. As a hackathon expert or as a hackathon cracker over here. So the second task is far more important than the first one, and that's logically it's been given more marks. So generating downloads is important, but more important is the organic process of generating downloads, जो probably आपको देखना चाहिए था. ठीक है? चलो. Now I'm going to approach it in a certain way. What I have learned and seen in industry where I saw so many products and services getting launched, I'm going to share the process with you. You decide what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, so promotion strategy, task number 2, promotion strategy for increasing your uploads. Now this was a real job you're supposed to be doing. Not trust me, doing something that's a wastage of time. Okay, and trust me, all of you people who are like, yeah, कैसे करना है, क्या है? तो boss, when you go to industry or when you're doing business, okay, this is what you're going to do. In fact, I was checking, the data of IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Bangalore as to how many startups came from there. And when I look at the startups, okay, 90% of startups had an app. So that means next generation entrepreneurship in India is going to be app driven. So if we do not know how to promote apps, what are we doing? Whether you're an engineer or you're an MBA, at the end of the day, understanding apps, promoting apps, that is going to be the future. Future jobs lie over there. Okay, so if you think, "Arey boss, ये कैसा होगा?" So probably then you need to rethink your position over here, or whether you're actually meant for engineering, actually meant for MBA or not. Anyway, I believe since you all have opted for this thing and that too voluntarily, that means all of you are interested. Very quickly, let's go across. What were you supposed to be doing then? Okay, had I been sitting with you, supposed to be cracking the hackathon, this is what I would be doing. You need to study the product and discuss among yourself, okay, as to who's going to read this particular app. And if you want to discuss who's going to read this app, first of all, you should have read it entirely. Entirely, you should have read it. Every single strip, every internal track inside, you should have read it first. वो फर्स्ट जॉब आपका था कि आपको अच्छी तरह से पूरी चीज पढ़ लेनी थी. मेरा मानना है आप में से काफी लोगों ने पढ़ा है. ठीक है, अगर ग्रुप में किसी एक ने भी पढ़ा है तो भी बहुत है, बिकॉज देन यू क्रिटिकली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट. आई डिस्कस एवरीथिंग फर्दर. This is a new product, you don't know who could be its reader. That is what you're supposed to be discovering first. Then only you can probably promote downloads. Now, going across, here comes, okay, the code. But if you catch hold of an industry expert, okay, who let us say is a launch expert or an expert in commercialization, हाउ इज गोइंग टू प्रोसीड, ऐप उसके सामने रहो तो वो क्या करेगा। तो एज अ ग्रुप टास्क फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई 4 और 5 जो आप कहते हो टारगेट ऑडियंस और टारगेट ग्रुप्स, जार्गन आप कुछ भी कह सकते हो, ये कौन पढ़ेगा, हु इज गोइंग टू रीड दिस थिंग, ठीक है। लेट अस यू डिस्कस, आपने पूरा कंटेंट वंटेंट पढ़ लिया एंड यू डिसाइड ओके दिस कुड बी मेरे टीए या मेरे टीजी, किड्स बिलो 12 हिंदी स्पीकिंग, ठीक है। पॉसिबल है कि लड़कियां पढ़े क्योंकि लड़के ज्यादा हाइपर एक्टिव होते हैं, छोटे लड़के नहीं पढ़ते, छोटी लड़कियां पढ़ती हैं, ठीक है। प्लस इफ यू लुक एट द कलर्स ऑफ द ऐप, ओके, समवेयर इट्स गोइंग टू अलाइन मोर विद फीमेल्स, दैट्स माय पर्सनल हंच, मुझे नहीं पता आपने देखा या नहीं, ठीक है। बट मेरा इंसाइट जो अलग प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज में रहा है, तो मेरा ऑब्जर्वेशन रहा है कि पढ़ाई के मामले में, रीडिंग के मामले में little girls are better. Could little girls be a target market? And little girls are more friendly with other little girls. Okay. Could that be a market or not? Did you think about it? I don't know. Okay. Think about it. Could teenagers be a target market? Yes or no? Could teenager girls be a target market? Did you think about it? Okay. Did you talk to anyone? Boys are not much of readers. Girls are. Did you think about it? Did you ask anyone? Adults. Who says adults don't read comics? Harley Davidson that sells cruiser bikes observed it was buddhas, old men purchasing heavy bikes. उम्र क्या हो रही है 65 70, so you're like oh boss this is classic, बंदे की एक टांग कबर में लेकिन उसको हार्ले डेविडसन क्रूजर हैवी बाइक चलानी है। Why? He is physiologically old but mentally, psychologically he is young. Okay, so you are looking at another segment. Did you think about it? Could parents, teachers, family members be influencers? Can they play a role of influence? Did you explore that angle? You are supposed to be exploring those angles. How are you going to explore? Now, what I put is hypothetical. ये hypothetical है, मेरा insight है. Of course, मैंने इसके ऊपर कुछ background काम किया है. हाँ, मैं guarantee नहीं देता ये सही है, क्योंकि मैं ditto solution बताऊंगा, this is a solution to the hackathon. So I don't want to do that. Now, what exactly you're supposed to be doing over here is you're supposed to be showing this app to different people. The biggest mistake that you make, or I would make, is passing a judgment on the app. No, you are supposed to be putting forward the perception of 100 people across. आप क्या सोचते हो वो किसी को पड़ी नहीं है बॉस मार्केट में। आज से 15 साल पहले मैगी वाले ने मुझसे पूछा था तुम ये खाओगे, एंड आई सेड मैगी इज शिट, SHIT with capital, and today they have proved me wrong. I was a person who as a child hated Maggie. They test marketed Maggie on me in school, and I said this is shit, I will not have it, but they don't care anymore. Why? एक पर्सन क्या मानता है उसे कोई फर्क, तो आप क्या मानते हो ऐप के बारे में बॉस वो कोई नहीं पूछता, क्योंकि कई साल पहले कई लोग को लगता था मैगी नहीं चलेगा और आज लारियां लगी हुई है मैगी की। When Maggie got banned, people were crying, they were begging. Many people knew it was poison, still they were eating poison. Okay, and it's not an Indian product, ladies and gentlemen, it's a Japanese product. Okay, and you know a European has copied it and sold it to us and we're merrily eating it. Lari pe bhi milta hai, you know, Maggie ka kuch mixed fry something very interesting. Now, going across from here, how exactly going to execute it? प्रोफेशनल कंपनीज को अगर ये काम दिया जाए ना कि ये ऐप का रिसर्च करके हमें जानना है कि इसका टारगेट ऑडियंस टारगेट ग्रुप कौन है, तो हाउ एग्जैक्टली डू डू इट, व्हाट हैपेंस ओवर देयर, दिस इज व्हाट यू डू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू एज ए इंडिविजुअल एंड योर ग्रुप हैज टू रीड द एंटायर ऐप क्रिटिकली. कुछ चीजें आपको लिखनी पड़ेगी, क्या यूनिक है इसकी स्टोरीज के बारे में, इज देयर अ मॉरल इन द होल थिंग, इज देयर अ मैसेज, इज देयर एंटरटेनमेंट, what is USP, what is strong about each and every story. If you have to pitch the story outside, you need to have your own story. Ki I read certain stories, so say I read a story over there Piddi ke Karname, so it's about a little girl who is into martial arts. So observe over here, little girls are fantastic target audience. रीडिंग में छोटे लड़कों के बजाय छोटी लड़कियां ज्यादा अच्छी होती हैं. पहली कहानी स्ट्रेटेजी छोटी लड़की की कहानी है जो स्ट्रांग बनने जा रही है. यू अंडरस्टैंड हु स्टैंड्स फॉर, दिमाग लगाने की कोशिश करो, अंदर का हर एक कैरेक्टर इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द टारगेट मार्केट. ऐप के अंदर ही ऐप का सॉल्यूशन है, आपको गांव में सिर्फ कंफर्म करनी है वो चीज. एवरी सिंगल कैरेक्टर दैट रीड इन एवरी स्टोरी इज द टारगेट ऑडियंस. आप में से काफी लोग कह रहे थे आई गॉट क्वेरीज, कौन है टीए कौन है टीजी, अरे बॉस ऐप पढ़ो, ऐप खोल कर देखो, अंदर जो कैरेक्टर अंदर है वही टारगेट ऑडियंस है, एंड दैट इज द ट्रूथ ऑफ इट. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग you talk to 100 market researchers who commercially working for different companies and they'll tell you the solution. If Piddi ke Karname is a story of an 8-year-old girl, every 8-year-old girl is the target audience for that. And you don't have to take a PhD for understanding. It's bloody common sense. Okay. What is strong about this app? Because that is what we are going to pitch over there. Okay, what of this can we pitch to the customer? Entertainment, moral, message, कुछ तो कुछ यूनिक होता ही है अंदर. ढूंढोगे तो आपको मिलेगा. मैं बता सकता हूं अंदर क्या है, पर फिर वो चीट हो जाएगा. मैंने इससे छोटा सा हिंट आपको अंदर का दिया, इसका आगे का मुझे नहीं बोलना चाहिए. और इट्स प्रॉब्ली यू नो Sumita ji will not like, like you're bloody, like, polluting the entire thing. But what happens is, despite the fact that probably I might be giving a lot of takeaways, okay, but somewhere myself, all the marketing professors, apart of you giving great solutions to the company, we also want that you learn in this entire process. So somewhere I want learning also. That means if this thing in real life comes in front of you, let us say you join some company and they're like, boss हमारा ऐप है, तुम कैसे मार्केट करोगे? तो you would say, हाँ यार, हमने अपने कॉलेज में ये चीज करी थी. Lot of people talking about it. This is how you go about doing it. And what method I am sharing is the industry method. I have not invented out of my own mind. No, this is what happens. Most marketing companies, when they're trying to market something, this is the method that they try to follow. And that is what I'm doing. I made some tweaks here and there. थोड़ा information मैंने कम डाला है क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूँ आप भी अपना दिमाग उसमें लगाओ. ठीक है. What of is to be pitched to the customer. ठीक है. जो ताकत होती है वही पिच करना पड़ता है. So if Piddi ke Karnam is about a little girl becoming strong, you know what message it is going na? I go across and tell the parent, boss, have you got a 7-year-old little girl? They have got stories of little girls who are very, very brave. Show it to the little girl. Boss, dekh, ye heroine hai, tere tarah hai, kitni strong bani hai. You understand their messages. People understand benefits. How is this app going to change you? Is it going to make you feel good? Is it going to make you feel strong? It is going to make you feel empowered. आपको पूछना पड़ेगा. मैं जो आपके सामने डाल रहा हूँ सब हाइपोथेसिस, अनप्रूवन स्टेटमेंट्स है. जाके बाहर किसी को पूछना पड़ेगा, बॉस ऐसा है क्या? ठीक है. What are the weaknesses of the app? Okay, a lot of people know the weakness. Installation problem आ रहा था. Probably scrolling experience you didn't like. Many things could be there. It's a new app. Glitches could be there. What are the issues? Content is an issue. Good content is an issue. Browsing experience आपको खराब लगा. Tag glitches आपको उसके अंदर लगे. Keep the feedback with you. Of course, you share it with the company, but you have to remember this when you talk to your TATG. Now, critically, look at this step, very, very important. This is not only important probably for the hackathon, but tomorrow when you are dealing in new product launches, exactly this is a process you're supposed to be following. Talk to at least 5 people who are the part of the TNTG. बच्चे 5 बच्चों को पूछ लो, 5 टीनेजर्स को पूछ लो, 5 एडल्ट्स को पूछ लो, 5 टीचर्स को पूछ लो, 5 पेरेंट्स को पूछ लो, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को पूछ लो यार, दादा दादी बिठाते बच्चों को साथ में कि यार ये देखिए बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है. फैमिली मेंबर्स को पूछ लो. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग. 5 को नहीं तो 3 को पूछ लो. When you ask so many people, what happens? You get insight, you share the insight with the company. Okay, at the same time so many different people know that, boss, there is a Japanese app in the market which is talking in our own language. Awareness तो होता ही है, insight भी आते हैं. Ask questions like, please go to this, read this thing. You can ask it in a closed circle also, no problem. What did you find? How did you find this app? कैसा लगा आपको ये? Experience कैसा था? इसके बाद में अच्छा क्या है? क्या बेकार है इसके अंदर? पढ़ना चाहोगे आगे? नहीं पढ़ना चाहोगे? नहीं पढ़ना चाहोगे तो क्या बोगस लगा इसके अंदर? ठीक है. कुछ और होना चाहिए तो क्या अंदर होना चाहिए? These are very simple questions. How did you find that? What is good about it? What is bad about it? Someone says नहीं यार मैं तो बोर हो गया, ये मेरे लिए नहीं. अच्छा आपको क्या लगता है किसके लिए है? You show it to a 10-year-old girl. She's like, I don't like this stuff. Who likes? बोले यार वो है मेरी जूनियर है चश्मिश है, वो पढ़ेगी यार. कितनी उम्र है उसकी? 7 साल. आपको इंसाइट आया ना? कोई जब मना करता है ना तो नो में भी जवाब होता है. ये मेरे लिए नहीं है. तो बॉस तुमको क्या लगता है किसके लिए होगा? इसको कौन पढ़ सकता है? आपको क्या लगता है? आज से 125 साल पहले एक कंपनी अंदर आई थी. ठीक है. जिसको टूथपेस्ट बेचना था. इंडिया में आया तो देखा या तो लोग राख घिस रहे हैं ना दांतड़ घिस रहे हैं, ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्टफ दे यूजिंग फॉर टीथ. एंड द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इज लाइक, बॉस, nobody is going to purchase toothpaste. India is not about toothpaste. I am talking about the early 19th century. Then the company realized we are not here to sell toothpaste. We are here to sell healthy and white teeth benefit. They sold the benefit for 20 years. स्कूल गए, बच्चों को फ्री में पेस्ट किया, डेंटल चेकअप किया, ब्रांड बनाया. टुडे इट इज इंडियाज मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड, कॉलगेट फार्मा. 125 साल से ब्रांड बना. एक चीज आप समझिए, ओवरनाइट यू कैन नॉट क्रिएट अ ह्यूज चेंज, बट यू कैन शो द डायरेक्शन. So what I'm trying to say is going to pave the direction to you also and to the promoters also, that tomorrow when you want to grow, you have to ask people, if you're going to read it, why, what are you going to derive out of it. आपको क्या मैसेज मिलता है, आपको क्या मॉरल मिलता है, आपको एंटरटेनमेंट मिलता है. अच्छा, आपको नहीं मिलता तो आपको क्या लगता है किसको मिलेगा? 7 साल के बच्चे को मिलेगा, 60 साल के अंकल को मिलेगा. Who would read it? Okay, males would like it, females would like it. These are the questions you're supposed to be asking, and that is what will provide you direction. Okay, नहीं पढ़ना है तो क्यों नहीं पढ़ना है, ये findings you're supposed to document, you to write it down, because when you present this thing, these are the findings you're supposed to be presenting. Today you present in the hackathon, tomorrow if you have your own venture, आप में से काफी लोग एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पे जाएंगे. ट्रस्ट मी, ऐप बनाना पड़ेगा, और जब आप इन्वेस्टर को या क्लाइंट को पिच करोगे तो यही काम करना पड़ेगा. So we should actually be very thankful probably to Sumita ji, okay, to Yokoyama-san, okay, to Aarti, who probably gave the challenge to us, because boys and girls, next 5 years, this is the future. Many things will be app driven. अब तो कोविड से बचना है कि नहीं, वो भी आरोग्य सेतु ऐप है. घर में बीवी या पति से बचो ना बचो, आरोग्य सेतु बता देता है आप किससे बचोगे किसको नहीं. सो एप्स आर दैट इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डील इन एप्स, ओके, तो बॉस प्रॉब्ली मुझे लगता है कि आप एलॉन मस्क के साथ मार्स पे रहने चले जाओ, मंगल ग्रह आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि इस धरती पे रहोगे ना तो ऐप से लिंक तो आपको रहना पड़ेगा. नाउ वंस यू डू दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, हु इज योर टीएटीजी, वो आपको पता चलेगा. बच्चा है, टीनेजर है, इट्स इज अ टीचर, इट्स द पेरेंट्स, द फैमिली मेंबर, हु इज इट, whether the app, why is the app liked or why it is disliked, your reasons, what did people like in the app, what did they dislike in the app, that becomes very very clear. And what can be done now. So look at this stuff. If you're talking to 5 people, different people, पांच log, let us say you talk to 5 people from each category, 5 children, 5 teenagers, 5 adults, 5 teachers, 5 parents, 5 family members. Now I'm very sure, I'm very very sure, I'm super sure that from that one category will turn out positive. And if that category comes out positive, you should find a way to talk to more people over there. You know why? They will tell you the promotion strategy. They will tell you the promotion strategy over there. वो बताएंगे आपको कि क्या करना है. हमको लगता है, हमें दिमाग लगता है ना, ना बॉस, you have not understood commercialization and marketing. Marketing is all about doing what the consumer wants you to do. Look at this thing over here. Talk to at least 30 persons. I would say 30. हाँ, नहीं कर सकते कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हैकेथॉन में पैसे जीतोगे तो आप जीतोगे, मैं तो आपसे लूंगा नहीं. ओके, सो यू आर गोना डू दिस थिंग. नाउ लुक एट व्हाट इज टू बी डन. If at all you find the correct TATJ, at times you'll have to use your gut feeling also. जब लोगों से बात करते हो आपको आइडिया आ जाना चाहिए. Okay, so marketing and commercialization and business is also about consumer psychology. So you'll have to use your feelings also over here. कि आपको क्या लगता है. Talk to at least 30% of your TATG if possible. Ask similar questions as before. Ask things linked to promotion also. So ask them, क्या ये ऐप अच्छा लगा? Let us say you talk to girls of the age group of 6 to 10, and all little girls from the age group of 6 to 10 have loved this app. तो 5 लड़के पूछे उनका पॉजिटिव था, तो अब आप 30 छोटी लड़कियों से पूछते हो, 30 girls in the age group of 5 to 10, that do you like this app, is it good, what do you like about it. So you start asking. So you're very clear cut that was एक टारगेट सेगमेंट मेरे को क्लियर मिला है, okay, which is little girls from the age group of 5 to 10 years. अच्छा, again, this answer may be right, may be wrong. Okay, my job is not to give you the perfect answer. I have to show you the way you are supposed to be walking on it. Okay, now what are the good aspects about the app that you would want to talk about? If you like, ask these people, if you have liked anything in this app, what did you like? क्योंकि वही चीज आपको प्रमोशन में यूज करनी है. आई लाइक द स्टोरीज, आई लाइक द मॉरल. तो दिस इज व्हाट यू सपोज टू बी यूजिंग. आप जब एफबी पे, इंस्टा पे, सोशल मीडिया किसी भी ढंग से प्रमोशन करते हैं, दिस इज व्हाट इज सपोज टू बी, बिकॉज योर टारगेट मार्केट हैज लव्ड इट. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू अपील टू देम. What are your expectations from it in the future? And look at the first question, very interesting. If you have to tell everybody, friends, person about the app, how will you do it? कैसे बताओगे? क्योंकि वो जिस तरीके से बताएगा वही हमारा प्रमोशन चालू होगा. आई शेयर इट ऑन एफबी, आई पुट इट ऑन इंस्टा, ग्रेट. You understand? If someone is putting it to Insta or to FB to any other method, that is the method we're supposed to be using right now, because we have got a frugal budget and we want to save money. Yes, save money. That means if, and we ask people, will you promote it? I will tell it. That means tomorrow you can have a scheme of promotion where you can say that you promote this up to 10 people and we will give you freebies. Mangalya will send you a free gift if anyone who's a reader is promoted to 10 people. वो प्रमोशन नहीं जो आप कर रहे थे. आपका प्रमोशन अलग किस्म का है. मैं एक नॉर्मल कस्टमर के लिए कह रहा हूँ, ठीक है? अ लिटिल गर्ल फ्रॉम द एज ग्रुप ऑफ 5 to 10 who loves this app and wants to generally recommend, will recommend you 10 people and probably will give you some freebies. So that is how promotional works. If you think the promotion strategies comes to your mind, boss, you are wrong. Ask the customer. If I like something, how am I going to do it? How am I going to tell about it? बोले मैं स्कूल में सबको बताऊंगी. Let us say someone says that I study in school and I have got 10 friends. मैं अपनी स्कूल के सब फ्रेंड्स को बताऊंगी. That means that is the place you're supposed to be promoting, the school. Okay, this insight is supposed to be listen to every single thing. उल्टा अगर इंटरव्यू हो रहा है, I repeat, record the interview with their permission. And when you listen it again to again, you'll get insights. All top marketing minds in the world do that. 50 लोगों से बात करते हैं और करोड़ों की प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करते हैं, और हर एक इंटरव्यू बार बार सुनते हैं क्योंकि उससे इंसाइट्स आते हैं. गेट इनटू द डेप्थ. ऊपर ऊपर तैरना बंद कीजिए, अब डेप्थ में उतरने का टाइम आया है. ओके, नाउ क्लासिक. क्लासिक इज, बॉस हेलो, आई डिड नॉट फाइंड एनी टीएटीजी. कोई टारगेट ऑडियंस नहीं मिला. दिस होल टीएटीजी थिंग इज ब्लडी बुलशिट. हाउ द हेल डू आई जनरेट अ प्रमोशन स्ट्रैटेजी? मेरे को तो कोई मिला ही नहीं बॉस. मैंने सबसे बात करी, किसी के को मजा नहीं आई, इसकी ना मेरे को भी मजा नहीं. अब मेरे को क्या करना है? व्हाट एम आई सपोज्ड टू बी डूइंग नाउ? तो where there is a will, there is a way. Did you know there are several online communities on FB and Insta dedicated to Hindi writing, one of the highest spoken language in the world? Okay, while probably we were busy promoting it to someone else, ki download kar or uninstall kar or install kar, boss, that doesn't work. Okay, you could have probably gone totally online. If you didn't want to do it offline the way I told you, you could have probably done it online. Did it occur to you that you could post in those communities and take the feedback virtually? You could go to Insta, put something over there. What if you generated a fan page over there and take feedback? Put the link of the app over there, download the app and probably give me feedback. Okay. Did it occur to you that you could post small parts of the comic strips on FB and Insta and tag it in the right community? You would have probably taken permission. Talk to your mentor. Mentor would have talked. So you put it on Insta and take feedback from there. You'll get genuine feedback. There are many people across the world who love Hindi. There are a lot of Hindi lovers. Put it over there. If you're not getting a child, not getting a person, you want to go outside because there's COVID, the entire meeting, the FB and Insta is over there. You could have used that to take feedback. It would help promote the app and provide feedback through comments. You could also probably start a Mangalya fan page. Okay, it could also draw attention. Okay, and probably promoting and downloading Mangalya could be a part of another similar app or game. So you have got those in-apps ads and download to that also. Okay. Now, if you look at this whole social media thing, okay, social media can be used to take feedback. You can use FB and Instagram for that. It can be used to post stories and talk about USP of products. It can be also used to get feedback. When you start fan pages over there, fan pages tend to get attention. You know, you put one hashtag and you could reach to a crore of people. That is the power of Insta and FB. Okay, you could probably use it. I don't have to tell you anyway. You are an FB and Insta generation. You understand the media more than me. But trust me, several हर एक company का devoted page Insta पे होता है. काफी बड़ी बड़ी companies they take feedback on the new products and services through Instagram and through FB. Okay, you'll find it very surprising, but yes, it happens. Now, based on the input that the little girl would talk to her friends in school about this app, you could go to schools and promote it. You're like, hello, who's going to allow me to talk? So let me tell you, Maggie, 5 years into operations, when it failed, it went to schools, serving free नाश्ता. बच्चों को हम फ्री में मैगी खिलाएंगे, उनको खाने दो. पहले टीचर को खिलाए कि it's healthy, there's no problem. Okay, now we'll feed it to the kids. For 5 years, they went to several schools across India feeding free Maggie. And that is how they became a brand name. So if you want to promote something, ladies and gentlemen, doesn't happen in one day. You have to find the method. Like you and me are doing research right now, they also did research and they understood that Maggie cannot be fed to uncles and aunties because eating habits are fixed. Second, it is instant food. Instant food to be fed when you are hungry. तो बोले सबसे ज्यादा भूख किसको लगती है? तो बच्चों को लगती है. क्यों? Growing body है, उनको जल्दी भूख लगती है. They get hungry quickly. So in the case of hunger, what can be the fastest convenience driven food to be cooked? So Maggie, and that's the reason why they came up with their punchline. Maggie 2-minute noodle, the only food that can be prepared in 2 minutes. Who was it target at the mother? It was not for the child. Consumption is for the child. Target is on the mother. So who was the TA? TG. TA TG was mother. और ये feedback कहाँ से आया? School से आया. School से ये feedback आया. When they started doing promotion in schools, they got feedback that our real TA TG is the mother because she has attention to feed, and they started targeting mother. So all Maggie ads for several years only showed the mother. And this didn't happen in one day. This took time. These all things take time. But this was the right method. You do research, talk to people. Maggie research told them go to school, talk to students over there. From there you'll get the rasta. And from there they got the way that children is the consumer, customer is the mother. Okay. So can you probably get schools talking about it? Can you talk to a Hindi teacher? Say, okay, fine, we will do a 1 hour online event to entertain your kids. Because currently schools and teachers have a huge problem engaging students. So say we will engage your students, second standard, third standard, fourth standard children. We'll do a 1 hour activity. We'll give some freebies. Okay, some free gift we can give. Okay, and talk something linked to manga. Talk something linked to that story. Ask them to do some activity. Ask them to paint some character. You paint a character and the best you will get a prize. Okay, or have some game. You do this kind of activities linked to the app, you will create name for yourself. A lot of you people would say, why would a school do it? Did you try talking? Okay, I mean मैगी को भी किसी ने घुसने तो नहीं दिया होगा स्कूल में, उसने भी तरीका ढूंढा कि कोई see where there's a will there's a way. So I'm just talking about different methods. These methods will not ensure downloads, but this method will ensure you the way of what can ultimately give rise to more downloads and more popularity of this app. Now, I believe that once you hit on the right promotion strategy, probably don't have to worry much about revenue. Again, I've shared so many points, so I was a little skeptical over here because a couple of professors who told me that don't share everything. Okay, otherwise then the real fun of the whole game goes. But I was like, I will briefly discuss certain things over there. Normally, when you want to discuss upon the revenue model, management has got a simple thumb rule. And the thumb rule is study the 5 apps that are closer to you and see what do they do to generate it. That's the easiest way. Because when you start studying them, you get a very fair idea what we should be doing. You get a very, very fair idea. There are some methods, but I'll refrain from giving you perfect solutions over there. Also study which are the products or brands that have been promoted by rivals or apps that are similar. Because those brands and those apps have synergy with you. So let us say there is an app by the name of XYZ, which is very similar to Mangalia. It has got certain brands or products that get promoted. So these are the ones one should be targeting. The moment Mangalia reaches some certain amount of traction, the brands that are visible with the rival would be the brands automatically one should be targeting over there. Again, there are certain methods in it, but if I get inside, it will be like giving all solutions. Okay, but if you start doing this basic 2 steps, you will get answers automatically. You'll automatically get answers. Okay, so I will not proceed beyond that. And of course, the last thing, financial planning and budgeting. Since I do know that there is, an interactive session that we're going to have with the company, so I believe that if any interaction is happening, now is the time for all of you people to ask about the future plans. Because if you are supposed to be generating a budget in terms of promotion of what is to be done, you really need to ask the promoters about the vision. That 1 year, 2 years, 4 years, 5 years the line. Where do you see your company? You've been asked a budget. You can only prepare the budget if you know the vision. So you have to request the promoter that hypothetically 5 years from now, what do you say? So say I see 100 million downloads. What is the kind of revenue you see? Okay, so say this much revenue I see. Then you can probably reverse and work upon the budgeting. So if suppose you get a chance to interact with the promoter, okay, these are the questions we actually should be asking because that is really going to help. Alternatively, since it's a startup and the data is there with us, we are supposed to be very, very frugal in our approach. Okay, so how much does it cost to keep the app running? So don't doubt, ask that thing and trust me, if the app is online, there are several methods online to promote it for free. So that's a spoiler over there. You can actually promote it for free and still ending up making money. I will not, but I'll say there are free methods over there, because if you look at free methods, you actually know what you're talking about. And from the free, you can also go to the ones which are slightly paid. So you could have a very, very frugal approach, spending minimal amount of money and getting maximum amount of coverage. Brand influencers can be used. A lot of people who talk about these kind of things, you can approach them, ask them to talk about it, and they do it for free. मैं सिर्फ एक हिंट आपको दूंगा कि इससे आगे दूंगा तो फिर प्रॉब्लम खड़ी होगी, ठीक है? So this is what I want to say. I will not be on that, okay, because if I get carried away, probably end up sharing more. Okay, that is from my end. Any queries anyone wants to ask? So probably I believe now is the time. You could ask me. So Dr. Neha, you can probably open the forum for questions. If anyone has got any kind of question, they can probably ask it to me. Am I audible, Dr. Neha? Hmm?
Sir, Dr. Neha is not there in the meeting, I suppose.
Okay. Professor Nidhi, any
Yes,
questions
sir,
that are
you are
coming?
very much audible.
Yeah, any questions that people?
Students,
You can
students,
put in
do
the
you
chat box
have
also.
students, do you have any questions? Please raise your questions.
Okay,
You
I
can.
believe there's a question from यशराज, तो सर फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग में मार्केटिंग के लिए प्लानिंग देना है या फिर ऐप को रन करने के लिए प्लानिंग देना है? See, normally what happens is that if you're talking, we are not talking about the budget of the entire functioning of the company, okay? Because that you don't have the heads of all of them. I believe what currently you're supposed to be doing this, you're just talking about the promotion part. If you want to promote, what's the promotional budget like? Okay, because see, understand one thing, content and translation, okay, that Sumita ji, okay, and Yokoyama-san are taking care of. Okay, so their main thing in India is that they want to promote it over there. So they are saying that you want to promote, what are the expenses linked to promotion? तो आपको सिर्फ promotion का budget देखना है कि उसमें कितना खर्चा करना है. Okay, so that's my answer. Any other queries that are there?
Sir, Abhishek has a question. It
Uh,
is there
Okay,
in the chat
Abhishek,
box.
this is a good question. How can we bring up advertising? Uh, Abhishek, advertising probably is a very broad term, because advertising अगर आप करते हो अभिषेक, तो उसके काफ़ी तरीके होते हैं, ठीक है? दूसरा, कन्वेंशनल एडवर्टाइजिंग, अगर आप एडवर्टाइजिंग करें तो किस तक एडवर्टाइजिंग? आर यू गोइंग टू प्रमोट, आर यू गोइंग टू लाइक हैव होर्डिंग्स, जैसे हम ओ कहते हैं, आउट ऑफ होम, OOH, या आप कन्वेंशनल एडवर्टाइजिंग करना चाहते हो जो ब्रॉडकास्ट मीडिया पे आएगा या प्रॉब्ली प्रिंट में आएगा, उसका कोई पॉइंट नहीं है, देयर इज नो पॉइंट। ओके, अगर ये ऐप है तो आपको मैक्सिमम ये सोशल मीडिया या इंटरनेट पे करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? और उसके अंदर आप बहुत चीज़ें बिना खर्चा किए कर सकते हो। तो मेरे को लगता है कि एडवर्टाइजिंग बिल्कुल करना है, पर आप कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म चूज करते हो, ओके अभिषेक, वो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। जैसे अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे तो मैं बोलूँगा बॉस, अगर इसे प्रमोट करना है, इस ऐप को प्रमोट करना है, तो और एक चीज़ बहुत क्रिटिकल है, जैसे एडवर्टाइजिंग इज़ वेरी वाइड। आप तब तक एडवर्टाइजिंग फाइनलाइज नहीं कर सकते अभिषेक जब तक आपको ये नहीं पता है कि आपका ग्राहक कौन है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मी से कि 5 साल से 12 साल की छोटी लड़कियां इसकी कस्टमर हैं, तो 5 साल से 12 साल की लड़कियां मुझे कहाँ मिलेंगी, कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिलेगी मुझे? पोगो चैनल पे मिलेंगी। अगर पोगो चैनल पे मिलेंगी तो मैं वहाँ एडवर्टाइज करूंगा। अगर मुझे वो इंस्टाग्राम पे मिलती फॉर एग्जाम्पल तो मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे करूंगा। अगर वो लड़कियां कुछ नहीं करती, सिर्फ स्कूल के लेक्चर्स अटेंड करती, तो बस मुझे स्कूल में प्रमोट करना पड़ेगा। तो योर एडवर्टाइजिंग, अभिषेक, इज टोटली कंटीजेंट अपॉन हु इज योर कस्टमर। सो एडवर्टाइजिंग तो चाहिए, नो डाउट अबाउट इट, बट यू कैन ओनली डिसाइड एडवर्टाइजिंग वंस यू नो हु इज योर टारगेट कस्टमर। ओके, सो दैट्स माय आंसर। Revenue model other than advertisements. There are several models. So Ritik, it's a good question. There are several models. Okay, you can probably make it paid. There could be cross promotions. You could have internal banners over there. You could have a subscription. There could be several things. Okay, but currently, I believe that for the next 5 years, again, that's a very personal opinion, Ritik, that I have. Okay, which is that I think so that they will have to keep it free for the next 5 years. तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट के अलावा और कुछ नहीं हो सकता। हाँ, वो ब्रांडिंग किसी और के साथ कर रहे हैं, ओके, या किसी तरह से वो मर्चेंडाइजिंग कर लें, ओके, जैसे वन ऑफ द सेशंस दैट टुक प्लेस वेयर वी हैड खुशबू कमिंग फ्रॉम डियाजियो, she suggested merchandising. I think that at times it's very important to merchandise. For example, I'll give an example of Green Gold. Green Gold is a small company in India that started with one single character, Chota Bheem. बट छोटा भीम जो भी वो बना रहे हैं, ठीक है, वो अल्टीमेटली गोज टू चैनल्स, ओके, गोज टू ओपन दोस काइंड ऑफ प्लेसेस। बट छोटा भीम मर्चेंडाइजिंग हैज टेकन द मर्चेंडाइजिंग वर्ल्ड बाय स्टॉर्म। अब छोटा भीम से लिंक उसके अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स हैं, उसके फ्रेंड्स हैं, ठीक है, उन सब का जो मर्चेंडाइजिंग, उनके टी शर्ट्स हैं, उनके तकिए हैं, उनके पपेट्स हैं, उनका पता नहीं क्या क्या है, उससे बहुत पैसा निकल के आता है। तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है माई टेक विक्टिम दिस इज दैट प्रोबेबली क्रिटिकली स्टडी this app and you find that there's certain enduring characters, and probably today when you have a talk with Sumita ji, and you come to know that there are some characters who are going to remain enduring. So merchandising can evolve as a model, and merchandising operates two ways, because the moment you merchandise, the person pays money for purchasing, let us say, a manga toy, but the moment the toy is there in front of him, मांगा गेट्स रीइंफोर्स्ड, क्योंकि अगर मैंने टॉय खरीदा है तो मैंने पैसे तो दिए, आपको पैसे मिले, लेकिन वो मांगा टॉय मेरे सामने रहेगा और मेरे माइंड में कॉन्स्टेंटली रीइंफोर्समेंट होगा कि अरे हाँ यार, मांगा इज वेरी गुड, आई शुड सी मांगा। तो a छोटा भीम कैरेक्टर परचेज बाय चाइल्ड reinforces in the child mind कि I should see छोटा भीम. So that's the reason why merchandising is not only money but it is advertisement also. It's free advertisement. ओके, सो मेरे को लगता है कि मर्चेंडाइजिंग फ्यूचर में काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग रोल प्ले कर सकता है। एंड ऑल कॉमिक कॉन कंपनीज, कॉमिक्स वाले जो भी हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सुपरमैन टू बैटमैन टू डीसी टू मार्वल टू छोटा भीम, all these somewhere have gained hugely through merchandising. Okay, you could have t-shirts, Mangalya t-shirts, that also reinforce the brand. In fact, if you see in the case of little kids, there are always certain garments, clothes, caps, and these kind of things. But again, this is the future. So I look at 5 years from now. Okay. Uh, Shubham has got a very interesting question. How can we reach the app to as many people as possible? Shubham, I would probably have a different answer in this, and it's my personal. If I am asked as an individual कि तो मैं ऐसा बोलूँगा कि सबके पास देने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं। Okay, we should send it to all those people who are liking it. For example, as I said, again, I'd repeat it again, though it might sound boring, is that if I am sure that a little girl in the age group of 8 to 12 is reading it, I should ensure that all 8 to 12 age group girls के पास वो जाना चाहिए. So it's not only how many people, how many of which people we should be sending. And then you said, how can we reach it over there? Once शुभम, अगर आप क्लियर हो ना कि ये ऑडियंस कौन है, तो पहुंचना बहुत आसान हो जाता है। आपको सिर्फ ये समझना है कि 8 साल से 12 साल की लड़की क्या करती है, सहेलियों से मिलती है, ऑनलाइन होती है, व्हाट्सएप पे होती है, इंस्टा पे होती है, पोको पे कौन सा चैनल देखती है, सिर्फ वही रिसर्च करना। एक बार पता चल गया व्हाट इज अ विंडो टू द वर्ल्ड, इट्स वेरी इजी टू कम्युनिकेट, वेरी इजी। द मेन चैलेंज लाइज इन फाइंड द राइट target audience or target market. Okay, so that is my answer to it. Any other questions you people have?
So that's it. I would request you to stop your screen sharing.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. There's a question from Nuka. Sir, for financial strategy, how can we find that by giving minimum input, we can get maximum output? Uh, See, what happens is, Mukam, that's an interesting question, because what happens is it's very, very tough to probably talk of a financial strategy. Okay, but see, what is expected currently out of you is that, I repeat once again, that somewhere, and if I'm wrong, so I'm going to request Sumita ji is here. So, अगर कहीं my assessment of the situation is wrong, she can probably add to. I believe that somewhere when you're talking about financials, what is expected is you're supposed to be discussing financials linked to the promotion. Okay. So what happens is that if you decide that we want to do an Insta campaign, or we want to do an FB campaign, or probably going to do a school event, so you'll have to roughly work out the financials linked to it. Okay. At the same time, okay, since you have got a session with the promoters right now, you can probably ask them that what else do they expect. My take is it's just a promotion part. Okay, so let us say that we know that social media platform पे target audience आती है. You have selected target audience, you know कि ये दो तीन platform पे आती है. तो उस platform पे अगर आपको कोई मैसेज, कोई स्टोरी बूस्ट करनी हो, प्रमोट करना है, तो क्या एक्सपेंस होता है? एक महीने के लिए, एक साल के लिए, 6 महीने के लिए, वो निकालो, ऑनलाइन आपको मिल जाएगा. That is what you're supposed to be putting. If you want to do some physical events, then you'll have to probably assume the expenses over there. So assumption chalta hai. I mean, if you put some assumption, it's not that आपके marks deduct हो जाएंगे, it is wrong. Okay, because you put some assumption. You want to do an event for school, you're going to do it virtually. There will be certain minimal expenses. You want to give certain freebies, कुछ free में देना आपको event के अंदर, तो आपको सिर्फ थोड़ा reverse gauge करना पड़ेगा. और अभी जब आप डाउट सॉल्विंग कर रहे हो, going to have a doubt solving session with the promoter, so you can always ask, if suppose I want to give some freebies, okay, what's the cost you think is going to come like for you? So then you can reverse calculate कि I want to give 1,000 articles as freebies, as manga merchandise, okay, to people. तो cost इतना आएगा, इतना खर्चा आएगा. So you can tell that if you was 6 महीने आप तैयारी रखो कि 5,000 मांगा merchandise आपको देना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Japanese currency में बताइए क्या expense है, convert it into Indian rupees, and you can put the budget across. Okay, so that is how you do it. Okay. Uh, Sumita ji, you wanted to add something, so please, most welcome. You can probably in this forum add it to make the discussion better.
Thank you, sir. Can you hear me,
Yes,
everyone?
yes.
Okay. No, I just wanted to say that the financial strategy that we expect is only with regard to the promotion strategy that you are going to suggest to us. Of course, we don't expect you to give us a financial strategy for everything that we are going to do. So what we want you to tell us is, for whatever plan that you make for us or whatever suggestion you give to us, you also need to tell us a financial strategy behind that. So what kind of budget we might need for that, and what can we possibly do to get funds for a budget of that kind. So ideas like that, and not about running the entire company. So I would just like to clarify that.
Sir, if I can add a spoiler over here regarding this financial strategy, if you allow.
Yes, yes, please proceed.
So over here, students, what you need to do is, suppose you are suggesting the company to do social media marketing. Let's say you are suggesting Instagram and FB as a platform. So in that, if you are suggesting the paid promotion of it, so you have to plan that in a month, how many campaigns you are planning, what would be the cost of each campaign, and the entire month ka budget, what would be required, and against that, so what would be the return on investment. So let's say, for example, if you are spending $1,000, right? So after spending $1,000, what would be the return on investment? That is what you are supposed to do. Sir, if I have explained rightly.
Yeah, yeah, it's correct. Absolutely no issues. Yeah, it's right. Okay, probably since we are running out of time also, so there is a question. Targeted market reach to be achieved in 2 years, according you can plan it for 6 months. Yes, yes, yeah, that's a great thing. Yes, targeted market to be achieved in 2 years. Okay. Vilti, I want to add something that probably, of course, your statement in itself is complete also, but again, to everyone, there's one very small thing, and it's very interesting also that at times what happens is when you encounter with a problem, you have to go back to the source. ये ऐसा नहीं कहता. Philosophers from across the world say this thing. If you're facing a problem, go down to the root of it. So what is the root of the problem currently? Okay, it's Mangalya. Enter Mangalya and you will get the solution. Okay? When you read each comics, every lead character inside the comics is the target market you're looking for. अगर वहाँ पे एक 6 साल की लड़की हीरोइन है, she is the target market. If a 12-year-old boy, okay, is the lead character, he is the target market. If a 15-year-old teenager boy, okay, is the lead character, he is the target market. Now, when you look at 10 stories and you come to know that from 10 stories, in 7 stories, little girls, age group 10 years are the lead heroines, no, you found the target market. As simple as that. I didn't want to share this thing with you because you were supposed to be discovering it. But then since it's a very interesting format, I thought you would probably love it. I will not go beyond this thing because beyond this it will be plain cheating. Many things can happen through this, but I would refrain my comments over here. Okay, so that's it from my end.
There's one more question in the chat box.
Okay, there's a question from Parvez. We supposed to make promotion strategy according to comic books. If company probably looking to launch comics, or we should focus on app only. For the time being, Parvez, it is app. It is app. Yes, tomorrow they might have a comic, but that is again in the future. That is again in the future. Okay, and I'll tell you something, Parvez. Just say you might be thinking, "Ki boss, it is very important to have a comic book also." Because physical book का भी बहुत impact होता है. You are correct. Okay, but currently knowing Japanese culture that they operate from left to right, it might not be advisable. Secondly, the new generation, okay, is more app driven. I look at my 5-year-old son, so he understands most apps better than I do. He plays games that probably I find it very tough to work. That means very cleverly, the target market you're looking at, which is kids, are actually very app savvy. Okay, so probably at a later point of time, comics can happen, but until unless you know that probably okay, there's an adult market also. People at the age of 50, they are loving this thing. तो उनके लिए अगर निकालना हो तो उसके लिए आपको कॉमिक्स निकालनी पड़ेगी. तो उसमें फिर there are problems because again Japanese manga operates from left to right. So I suggest that currently it might not be great. In the future, yes, one might. Okay. So currently the focus, Parvez, remains on app, according to me. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. I guess that would be it. I hope I managed to solve your queries. Okay. If there are any queries, probably you can still put it across over there. And Sumita ji, I hope you don't mind because probably a lot of things should have come out in the hackathon, but I also kind of got very excited looking at the whole app thing, so I couldn't help but share my insights. And again, I'm not given ditto solutions because whatever I mentioned, all the kids will have to go back and rectify this thing. But yeah, it will definitely put them in the right direction. Okay, so that's from me. I'll sign off from here. Thank you so much, Dr. Neha, for fetching this question. And thank you so much, Sumita ji, for attending. And students, thank you. I loved your questions. The questions were very nice. They give a lot of insights. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Siddharth sir. I think now that you have made such a nice presentation, which is very simplistic to understand, students would have got their lot of queries solved, and now they would be buckling up and tying their shoelace to run this marathon and the hackathon, and would try to find out more novel solution, more innovative ideas because of the spoilers that you have given. So thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, Sumita sa, Yokoyama sa, and Aarti sa to attend this session. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. And thank you so much, faculties. Thank you so much, students, for asking very good questions.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sumita sa.